Okay. So
मैम
welcome
60
class
तो
8.
खत्म हो गया था हमारा।
Sorry.
60 तो खत्म नहीं हो गया था हमारा।
हाँ जी 60 हो गया था. We were there at 62, right?
मैम 60 I think because you said that we'll start with 60
Okay, yes,
the
we
next
were to start with question number 61. So welcome class 8. Now again we'll be continue with the questions from Lakshmi Singh of the chapter metals and non-metals. Okay, so I think we should start, right? Chalo. Question number 61. Why are metals used for making bells? Yes.
Because they
Ma'am,
are
metals
sonorous,
are sonorous.
and when they are
Metals
hit,
are
they
sonorous
produce ringing sound.
because they produce a unique sound when something hard strikes their surface. As a result, metals are used in making bells or gongs.
Yes, they have the property of sonority, right? So ये जो property है कि क्या कहती है, whenever a metal is struck with some hard surface, it will produce a sound. So that is why they are used for making bells, right? Why is phosphorus kept underwater? Yes,
Because phosphorus is
Water
very
to
highly reactive and it is kept in water as it does not react in water.
Yes.
Because non-metals have the property that
Yes. Although it is very reactive, okay, it is very reactive, but being a non-metal, ठीक है, it is reactive in nature, लेकिन जब ये non-metal है क्योंकि तो इसीलिए ये water के साथ react नहीं करता, but as per its non-metallic character, as per its non-metallic character, it doesn't react with water. ठीक है बेटा, इसीलिए हम इसे पानी में रख लेते हैं. Okay, so that is why it is kept underwater, because अगर आप इसको open में रखते हो, it catches fire. Okay, okay. Now, what you have to tell me, which of the following can be beaten into thin sheets and why? ये चार आपको elements given हैं, zinc, phosphorus, sulfur and oxygen. तो इनमें से हम किसकी sheets बना सकते हैं? Yes.
The correct answer is A. Zinc is a metal and it can be beaten into sheets.
Yes.
The property of metals which allow metals to be hammered into thin sheets is known as malleability.
Yes, because zinc is a metal, so that solves our problem, because metals, they have got the property of malleability. Yes. Now, matching करनी है आपने. You have to tell me. इसमें ना आपको कुछ elements दिए गए हैं और उनके uses हैं. So just have to tell me कि कौन सा use किसके साथ match करेगा. Gold. Gold is for jewelry. Yes. Iron.
Machinery.
Yes, it is for machinery. Aluminium.
Wrapping
food. Yes. Carbon.
Fuel.
Fuel. Copper.
Electric wires.
Electric wires. Yes. Mercury is thermometers. Now, the next question is asking us to give one use each of the following materials. नीचे आपको metals given है and you have to tell me one use. First is iron. Yes, iron का
Iron is used in making machinery and heavy equipment.
Yes, it is used in machinery. Okay. राशि नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, एक एक करके बताएंगे. Now राशि, it's your turn बेटा. Copper का आप बताओ बेटा. Use of
copper is used in making electric wires because it is a good conductor of electricity.
Yes, it is used in making electric wires. Manan, next, aluminium.
It is used for making aluminium foil, which is used to wrap food.
Yes, foils for wrapping food. Yes, Rashi, zinc.
Ma'am, zinc is widely used for manufacture of many products such as paints, rubbers, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals,
Okay.
plastics, ink, soaps, batteries,
Soaps
etc.
में zinc नहीं, हम इसका एक और बड़ा कॉमन सा यूज लिख सकते हैं for galvanization of iron.
Yes,
right? So we will write down the usage which is very much prevalent. Okay. ठीक है, तो हम इसको लिख देते हैं. It is used for galvanizing iron. Next, Manan, mercury.
It is used in thermometers.
Yes, it is used in thermometers. Now, बच्चे
liquid at room temperature and is a very good conductor of heat.
No, it is not that good conductor of heat. Otherwise, it would have expanded. It is a kind of bad conductor.
Tiny.
Yes. Now you have to tell me use of the following non-metals. Oxygen.
Ma'am, oxygen is used for
Ma'am,
cooking.
oxygen is a non-metal which is essential for maintaining life and is inhaled during breathing. Oxygen is brought in our lungs via
Yes.
breathing. It is then transported by red blood cells to the entire body to be used to produce energy.
Nitrogen.
Ma'am, it is
Uh,
ma'am, it is present high quantity in atmosphere because if oxygen was more than
I am asking about the usage of nitrogen.
Ma'am, it can be used to
It is
replace
used for
air.
making fertilizers. Okay, nitrogen is used to make fertilizers. Sulfur,
It's used for making firecrackers.
yes, for making firecrackers. Very good. For making. Manan, chlorine,
ma'am used in pools for cleaning water.
yes. Rashi, iodine, beta.
Ma'am, iodine is used to make purple colored solution which is applied on cuts and wounds as an antiseptic.
Okay,
It is used in the treatment and prevention of wound infection.
yes. Even ये iodized salts में मिलता है, right? For right? And जैसे आप कह रहे हो tincture of iodine बनाने के काम आता है, and that is applied on wounds. Okay, ji. Okay. Now the next question is what are metals? Yes, Manan, you tell me what are metals and name 5 metals.
And metals are hard substances which are present in nature. They are lustrous and they are present in most metals are present in solid state in nature. In room temperature. 5 metals: iron, zinc, copper, aluminium, and mercury.
Yes, आप कुछ और कहना चाहोगे? राशि?
Ma'am, metals are the elements which lose electrons to form cations
Yes.
and are electropositive.
This
in
is the
nature. For
definition
example,
I wanted. Very good. हमारे को जब definition हमने लिखना है, we will be writing कि जो metals होते हैं elements which tend to lose electrons, right? They tend to lose electrons. So they are elements which to lose form electropositive ions.
sodium,
Yes.
sodium, potassium, iron, zinc, and calcium.
Sure. Next one, what are
Not are elements that gain electrons. They are also electronegative elements for chlorine, sulfur, oxygen, hydrogen.
yes, electrons, right, and form anions, which are electronegative in nature.
For
Oxygen.
example, bromine, chlorine, sulfur, and nitrogen.
The
Element, yes. Green metals and non-intermediate properties. ठीक है? दो नाम बताओ. मना बताओ. राशि आप बताओ. Now, next में बेटा आपने बताया है कि what are metals. हम लोग blue से underline करेंगे. Yes, aluminum, then
Copper,
mercury,
aluminium,
sodium. हम red से underline करेंगे. Yes, tell me.
non-metals are
Sulfur,
nitrogen and
nitrogen,
yes, good. So बच्चा होता है silicon and aluminium.
silicon.
Yes, इसलिए they are metals. Red line वाले जो हैं, those are metals. Okay. Now, what happens when the oil reaches space?
water,
Yes.
hydrogen plus
Sulfur dioxide is SO2 plus what form?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, sure. आप बताओ.
The metals have to form metallic oxide. These metallic oxides are basic in nature of water to form bases. On the other hand, non-metallic
नहीं, basic एक मिनट as sulfur is your non-metallic acidic oxide from alkalis. They'll form
equation.
right. क्या हम इसको बैलेंस करें?
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे?
Ma'am, SO2 SO is H2SO3.
H2
Ma'am, is it right?
ठीक है जी. I'll have to check. Just करते हैं. This will be
Okay.
actually देखो अभी क्या है, we have not done the balancing thing, so हमें यहाँ पे वैसे भी we have to write only word equation. So we will write word equation. What will happen when sulfur dioxide is dissolved in water? It will give us एसिड रेन नहीं बनाता ये, तो ये बन जाएगा सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड.
Okay, ma'am.
What happens when an iron nail is placed in copper sulfate solution? Write word equation of the reaction involved.
Ma'am,
क्या
if we
होगा?
put an iron nail into copper sulfate solution, the iron nail will displace copper from copper sulfate solution.
Right.
There will be some changes. A reddish brown color will be deposited on the iron nail, which is rust.
So it will
The color
become,
of copper sulfate changes from blue to green after putting
yes,
iron nails on it.
and this is happening because आपका जो iron है that is more reactive than copper.
Ma'am, the word equation is iron plus copper sulfate forms iron sulfate plus copper.
Yes, as iron is more reactive than copper. Okay, now state 5 characteristics of metals and 5 characteristics of non-metals.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, sure.
Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals are high malleable and ductile. They have very high melting and boiling point. Metal oxides are basic in nature, and metal displays hydrogen from dilute acid.
ठीक है जी. They are shiny, right? Then yes, they are dull.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ductile and जबकि case कौन सी ऑक्साइड
Metals are
Ma'am, acidic oxide.
फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है, कोई केमिकल बताओ. और डोंट रिएक्ट. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट 5 ये हम बेटा ऊपर कर चुके हैं. ओके, नाउ मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स, ये दो बेटा आप आज कर लेना, बट ये सो दैट आपको रिटन क्लियर हो जाए. ओके, यूज. ओके, just give me a second, I will change it, then we will proceed on. And can be cut easily, very reactive and can't be kept open. It reacts because it is most likely to be magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, aluminium.
Option potassium.
Potassium, yes. Manan, now it's your turn. Which one of four metals would be displaced from the solution of its salt by the other three metals? Zinc, selenium. No. Silver. Element is said to be hard, malleable,
I think the brittle.
brittle, yes. Non-metal, so element X reacts with what solution turns phenolphthalein indicator. Element X is sulfur, sodium, carbon, or silicon. Manan.
From sodium.
Yes, it is sodium because only metals don't react with water. Non-metals which state at room temperature is
Bromine.
bromine. Actually, देखने में कॉल आ रहा है. ठीक है. चलो. Next is a basic oxide will be formed by the element sulfur, phosphorus, potassium, carbon.
potassium.
Yes, it is potassium क्योंकि जो आपके metals होते हैं they form basic oxides. is malleable and ductile. This best describes a metal, a compound, a non-metal. Yes, a metal. Yes, Manan ne to already answer de diya. Okay. The metal which will not produce hydrogen gas on reacting with dilute sulfuric acid. Sodium, silver, iron, zinc. No, sodium is high up in the reactivity series. Silver. Yes, it is silver. Okay, the element which is stored under kerosene is sulfur, phosphorus, silicon, or sodium. Yes, it is sodium. Which of the following pairs cannot undergo displacement reaction? Yes, अब मुझे बताएंगे displacement reaction नहीं हो सकती वहाँ पे. Iron sulfate solution and magnesium, zinc sulfate solution and iron, zinc sulfate solution and calcium, silver nitrate solution and copper.
Ma'am, C option.
C? Yet B.
C.
C. Calcium is down.
Ma'am, is it right?
Which of the following metals exist in the liquid state at room
Mercury.
temperature? Yes, it is mercury.
Mercury.
The element Z burns in air to form an oxide. The aqueous solution of this oxide turns, एक second. It turns blue litmus to red. मतलब it is an acidic oxide. So the element X is most likely to be carbon, calcium, iron or magnesium. Acidic oxide किसका होगा? Acidic oxide किसका होता है? Metal या non-metal? तो फिर calcium is a metal. Which of the following elements will produce an oxide that will dissolve in water? Okay. Which of the following elements is a metalloid? Sodium, sulfur, silicon, silver. Silicon.
Ma'am, silicon.
Okay. Now 84th is which of the following elements will produce an oxide that will dissolve in water to form an acid? Acid कौन बनाएगा? अरे एसिडिक ऑक्साइड ही तो बनाएगा एसिड. Carbon. Yes. The least reactive metal among the following: magnesium, lead, silver. Yes, it is silver.
Silver.
You are given a solution of iron sulfate. Which of the following do you think cannot displace iron from iron sulfate? बताओ मुझे. Magnesium, calcium, copper, zinc. Yes, it is copper only. When a vessel is exposed to moist air for a long time, then a green coating is formed on its surface. The vessel must be made of copper. Yes, copper. Very good. Which among the following is the most reactive metal? Copper, calcium, iron, magnesium.
Calcium.
No, it is magnesium. Kedarnath ka Mali.
Okay, ma'am.
Which the element whose oxide will turn red litmus to blue. मतलब basic oxides हैं. वो कौन होंगे?
Ma'am, sodium is a base, so I think so sodium.
It will be metal. Which of the following is not a characteristic property of iron? Malleability, brittleness.
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए, अब मुझे ये बताना, which of the following reactions will not occur or why not? Zinc sulfate plus copper gives us.
Copper displacing करता है.
Yes.
Copper बहुत low है.
हमारी A reaction जो है वो नहीं होगी, as copper की reactivity is quite less than zinc.
Second reaction
होएगी, as iron is more reactive than copper. Right. Okay. One day, Rita went to a jeweler's shop with her mother. Her mother gave an old gold jewelry to goldsmith to polish. Next day, when they bought the jewelry back, they found that there was a slight loss in its weight. Can you suggest a reason for the loss?
Ma'am, when the gold jewelry was sent for polishing, it loses its weight. While polishing the outer thin layer of gold, which is dull, is removed by the treatment. The chemical treatment of this causes a reduction in the weight of gold treatment.
Okay. What I feel is कि वो उसको उसमें dissolve कर लेता है aqua regia, right? Aqua regia में dissolve करता है ना, तो एक aqua regia ही ऐसा एक royal water जिसको हम बोलते हैं. हाँ, weight कम हो जाता है ना. तो क्योंकि जब वो पॉलिश करते हैं व्हाट दे डू, दे वॉश इन रॉयल वाटर. रॉयल वाटर क्या होता है? एक्वा रीजिया. ठीक है बेटा, इट इज एक्वा रीजिया. इट इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ two acids, nitric acid and HCl.
हम तो ये एसिड ऊपर डिसॉल्व कर देते हैं।
Yes, ये अकेला ऐसा मिक्सचर होता है जो गोल्ड और सिल्वर को डिसॉल्व कर लेता है. तो इसीलिए फिर वहां पे क्या हुआ, थोड़ा सा वो डिसॉल्व हो गया, तो ऑब्वियसली उसका वेट जो है वो
उसको
कम
और वाटर से जाते हैं।
बिकॉज रॉयल चीजों के साथ डील कर रहा है ना, गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर. इट्स नॉट कप ऑफ एवरीवन्स टी. वैसे भी आजकल द रेट्स आर टू हाई, राइट. चलिए next, an element burns in air to form an oxide. The aqueous solution of this oxide turns blue litmus paper red. Yes, तो ये कौन हुआ, मेटल हुआ, नॉन मेटल? Yes, it is non metal. क्योंकि नॉन मेटल्स क्या बनाते हैं बेटा? एसिडिक ऑक्साइड. कोई भी एलिमेंट दे सकते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉस्फोरस. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट. An element burns in air to form an oxide. The aqueous solution of this oxide turns turmeric paper red. Turmeric paper जब red होता है, yes, तो वो basic होता है. So that means it is metal. ये क्या बनाते हैं बेटा? बेसिक ऑक्साइड्स बनाते हैं. और बेसिक ऑक्साइड्स क्या करते हैं? They turn turmeric paper red. एग्जाम्पल हम लिख सकते हैं, कोई भी एग्जाम्पल लिख दो एलिमेंट का. आयरन लिख देते हैं, जिंक लिख दो, कॉपर लिख दो, जो मर्जी लिख दो.
तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा.
चलिए, the metal X reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to form a gas Y. ठीक है, एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करे. और मेटल X जो है वो सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सोल्यूशन के साथ भी रिएक्ट करता है on heating to form the same gas Y. ठीक है, when a lighted matchstick is applied, this gas burns by producing a pop sound. Name two metals which would behave like X.
Iron
When
and
the pops out indicates the presence
Yes.
of hydrogen gas, the metals
बिल्कुल.
react with
हाइड्रोजन. ठीक है, पॉप साउंड मतलब इट इज हाइड्रोजन गैस. और दो एलिमेंट्स कौन से ऐसे हो सकते हैं बेटा? आयरन एंड जिंक. NaOH है, मेटल X है, वो हीटिंग पे कर रही है क्योंकि उसको ऑब्वियसली कुछ एनर्जी चाहिए होती है, दैट इज व्हाई, राइट. चलिए, so with this we finish off our Lakshmir Singh. Okay, so now in this video we will be discussing metals and non-metals from the book Living Science. In this also you have got good exposure for the questions because obviously आप जब chapter कर रहे हो तो you need to practice the questions, right. चलिए start करते हैं. MCQs हैं पहले. So now the very first is, which of the following is true for all metals? They are hard solids. They have high melting and boiling points. They have 1 to 3 valence electrons, and they are malleable and ductile. ये सबके लिए ठीक होना चाहिए, and that is they have 1 to 3 valence electrons. Hard solids नहीं है, mercury exception है हमारे पास. High melting and boiling point का exception है हमारे पास gallium and cesium. Malleable and ductile का भी हमारे पास exception है. So ये जो चीज है 1 to 3 valence electrons, ये हर मेटल के लिए सूट करता है. Now, no. Gold normally occurs in nature, in free state as carbonate ore, as sulfate ore. Yes, it is in free state as, yes, it is very less reactive. Which of these is the most reactive metal? Magnesium, sodium, platinum or sodium? Sodium. Okay. Which of these metals cannot displace hydrogen from a dilute acid? इसमें से कौन सा नहीं कर पाएगा? Iron, zinc, silver or calcium? It is silver. Which one? हाँ जी. Potassium. Yes. Which one of the following alloys is light and strong? Brass, stainless steel, beryllium या फिर bronze? No, it's beryllium. क्योंकि ये aluminium का बना है. Aluminium is known for its lightedness. Which of the following metals can displace all the three from their salt solutions? Yes, copper, iron, silver and zinc. बाकी तीन को displace कर सकता है. कौन है वो? Zinc. Metal A is dipped in salt or in a salt of metal. Sorry, metal A is dipped in a salt of metal B and displaces B from the solution. ठीक है, this shows that A, yes, A is more reactive क्योंकि उसने उसको displace कर दिया. तो obviously वो displace तभी कर पाएगा जब वो उससे ज्यादा reactive होगा. Clear? Next, metals react with oxygen to form acidic oxides, basic oxides, either acidic or basic,
Basic
या फिर no
oxide.
reaction. Yes, basic. Now Rashi, it's your turn. The metal most commonly used in the construction industry. Yes, beta. Iron. Pieces of copper, silver, gold are dropped into a solution of iron sulfate. The piece that will get a coating of copper is
Silver.
silver. Okay. Now, the next. Name a metal that is liquid at room temperature. Metal bonds.
Mercury.
Yes, it is mercury. Now, batao. Metals have low specific gravity. Yes, true. Is it true or false? No, it's false, right?
Low specific gravity.
मतलब they are bound to be हल्के हल्के नहीं होते वो, right? They are heavy. If a metal can be drawn into thin wires, it is said to be
Malleable.
no wires,
Ductile.
ductile. Keep this thing in mind that what is ductile and what is malleable. Okay, this is ductile. Aluminium does not react with water. Is it true or false? False. Now in this reaction, Zn plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu is an example of a dash reaction.
Displacement reaction.
Yes, it is displacement reaction. Okay, which metal is higher up in the reactivity series, sodium or silver?
Sodium.
Obviously,
Silver.
yes. Obviously, it is. Yes, it is. Rashi, are you there, beta? Okay. Any rock containing metallic mineral is called an ore. True or false? No, false. Any ore नहीं होता. जब आप उसको profitably ले रहे हो, that is called as ore. हाँ जी. Okay. Next is dash is the most abundant element in the universe. सबसे ज़्यादा abundant element कौन सा है? Universe में. It is hydrogen. चलो. So dash is the most abundant element in the universe.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Element in the Earth's crust, aluminium.
Yes, it is hydrogen. और हमारी अर्थ क्रस्ट पे इट इज एल्यूमिनियम, राइट?
पर जो हाइड्रोजन है ना वो तो इतना लाइट वेट एलिमेंट है, वो पूरे यूनिवर्स में, यहाँ पर हमारे अर्थ में इतना हैवी, उससे कंपैरेटिवली इतना हैवी क्यों है?
डिपेंड करता है क्योंकि अर्थ एक अकेला ऐसा प्लैनेट है जिसके पास एक एप्रोप्रिएट चीजें हैं जो एक लाइफ को सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं जो अभी तक डिस्कवर्ड है. So maybe that will be the reason. Sand contains the non-metals dash and dash. क्या क्या होता है इसके पास? एक तो होता है सिलिकॉन और सिलिका, कार्बन. Yes. Which non-metal has very high melting and boiling point? Diamond. Metal food containers have a coating of. किसकी coating होती है? Zinc. Metal food containers they have a coating of. चलो इसको थोड़ा सा लीव आउट करते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन आई एम नॉट गेटिंग कि किस चीज की कोटिंग पूछ रहे हैं. नेम अ सॉफ्ट मेटल.
Phosphorus.
नो, फॉस्फोरस इज अ नॉन मेटल बेटा. सोडियम. What is the black material inside a pencil?
Lead.
Lead. It is lead.
Lead metal.
Yes. Metals react with oxygen to produce dash oxides. कैसे oxides
Basic.
बनाता है? Basic. And non-metals they react
Acidic.
with acidic. राशि स्क्रीन दिख रही है बेटा ठीक से?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, छोटी तो नहीं है?
No, ma'am.
ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट करते हैं. Do non-metals react with water?
Yes. No, ma'am.
No.
Non-metals नहीं है.
A metal X can replace another metal Y from its metal salt. So is X above or below Y in the reactivity
X
series?
above.
X is above Y. ठीक है, X is above Y. Air and gas for iron to rust.
Air and moisture.
Moisture. Okay. And iron starts rusting if there is a scratch on the layer. True or false? Copper, yes. Copper corrodes in the presence of dash and water. No, it's carbon dioxide. Does not corrode in air. कौन सा ऐसा मेटल है जो corrode नहीं करता? No, it is gold. Gold ऐसे ही रहता. Write the important uses of copper. Copper के uses बताएंगे?
Ma'am, it's used for making electric wires.
Pot.
Electric wires, vessel, utensils, or right. Aluminium protects itself against corrosion. Discuss why it is necessary to anodize aluminium, make it corrosion resistant. बताओ, क्या करना पड़ता है? Layer Yes, in order to break down the contact to promote so that further stop. Now let's आप बताओ. What is hydrogen? Hydrogen for hydrogenation of oils. Yes, assume. Very good. Next. What? To make acids. Yes. Like soap. Some types of silicon. Cases okay. Solar cells में use होता है. Okay.
Ma'am, silicon is widely used in electronic and computer.
Yes, it's used in electronic, then
and
computers.
Silicon carbide, a compound used as a material.
Yes. Now, the following are mixed. You have to give the reason also. Okay. First is copper sulfate and zinc. Reaction of yes, zinc. You have that is then copper. As iron is more than copper. Copper, copper is less active. Zinc sulfate and iron. Yes, as iron is.
No, ma'am.
Iron has right. Zinc is more reactive. Iron sulfate and copper. No.
No.
Iron is more reactive, so very less reactive than okay. So this is of iron. बेटा ये है इसको हम लगाते हैं पानी के अंदर, क्या करते हैं नेल डालते हैं ऊपर हम ऑयल लेवल और सेम वही नेल यहाँ पे ऑयल करते हैं. यहाँ पे क्या होगा CA तो सिर्फ वो है air. work. Describe the different methods of metals. आपसे जो एक मिनट आप मुझे से और उसको explain आप one is galvanization. Yes. Number two. Yes, वो भी है. Then आपने ना ये इसमें बताया वो टास्क लाने यूज करेंगे ठीक है. अब जैसे लैपटॉप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी but can you
Because silver, ma'am, is very costly, but costly for the also is
एक ना ये एक्सपेंसिव होता है तो एक्सपेंसिव होने के साथ ये हम बोल सकते हैं कि यस इट विल बी मतलब प्रॉपर्टी और पर्सन को बनाएगा तो इसको प्रेफर करते हैं
क्योंकि मैम बहुत
यस
जो
यस
मेटल
बेल का पर्पस है और साउंड प्रोड्यूस कौन करता है एक लगा होता है हम बना के सोनरस सब्सटेंस जैसे बोलते हैं तो अपने रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज बिटवीन यूजफुल मेटल yes
अगर हाई होता है तो मैम बहुत जल्दी होता है.
yes उसकी रस्टिंग ज्यादा होती है but because nowadays copper is being used copper से और अगर तो obviously वो एकदम safe ना have been very unsafe okay so it becomes black faster than it did 50 years ago. What could be the reason?
Pollution बहुत बढ़ चुका है.
Solution level ज्यादा होने की वजह increase करने पड़ गया है जिससे iron in the reactivity series reaction to oxygen and reactive why क्योंकि एल्यूमिनियम का क्या होता है रिएक्टिव है ज्यादा इसीलिए फटाक से उसकी ऑक्सीजन का रिएक्शन डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट में सेल्फ प्रिवेंशन अगेंस्ट कोरोजन जस्ट एनोडाइजिंग बिकॉज़ प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्साइड लेयर ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम हमारा जो है थोड़ा कम रिएक्ट करता है. अब वी आर बिल्डिंग एक्सटेंसिवली यूजिंग राइट स्टेनलेस यूज करोगे स्ट्रेंथ अलॉय यूज करना है इसके लिए आप यूज करो गिव मी द रीजन
और मैम
to diagnose a patient, but did not look like iron at all. What do you think the tablets contained?
mixture था वो
Yes, they are the iron.
compound
Yes. With this, we finish our living science.